Hello everybody and welcome back to Epic Suite. Today we're going to be taking a look at Ethereum, but before we actually dive deeper into the technicals, please make sure to head on over to our YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button. And if you want to stay updated with the latest trends, also make sure to click on the bell icon. You can also follow us on Twitter at FXSCrypto and myself at Mangeko with the 0 at the end. Right, moving on. My Ethereum outlook has changed quite a bit. Not quite, it's actually pretty much the same, but I'm trying to look at it from a different perspective. Right. This chart I've been writing using this chart for quite some time here, where the price is currently bouncing off of this important support cluster, which contains this demand zone extending from roughly 2,800 to 3,000, and then we have the bullish crossover between the 50-day and the 100-day moving average. So far, these two indicators have been massive support, and what's happening right now is price is stuck between the support cluster and this high volume node here, which is also the volume part of control for this visible range over here. So I think if Ethereum doesn't flip above this high volume node at roughly 31, 36, or if it doesn't make a move above 3,200, then I think there's a good chance price is going to continue to crash, and we're going to see a retest of 25.41. Right, and if we are to say this bearish scenario, I think we have to see something similar happen in Bitcoin as well. And if you haven't watched the Bitcoin video I just explained, I still feel like there's a little bit of downside for Ethereum from a short-term perspective. But for the long-term perspective as well, I think there is a good chance price is going to head up to 46,200. But before that, I'm expecting a wick to the lower wick that retests the lower trend line of the ascending parallel channel on the 3-day time frame. So if you haven't checked that out, make sure to check it out. If we see that kind of bearish scenario on Bitcoin, there's a good chance price Ethereum is going to come down, retest the $25,141 support level here. So this is my present outlook, and the reason why I'm kind of optimistic if price heads down to 25,400 can be seen in this particular chart here, where I've kind of in the last video I've explained what I'm expecting. Right, if we get a breakdown of this bullish crossover between the 50-day and the 100-day moving average, that we could come down, retest 2,600 or probably 2,400, which will lead to a formation of a triple tap setup. And I've explained it here where triple tap is. A triple tap setup usually contains oh my god, so triple tap setup usually contains a low which is formed, price rallies, comes back down to this low, deviates below the low, goes up, and then finally retests for the third time. And this is where you can expect the price to go like shoot for it to explode with a lot of volatility, right? And that's what I'm expecting here for Ethereum. And as you can see here, I've already drawn this range for Ethereum. I think it's going to be a good chance for Ethereum to accumulate a lot of buying pressure here. I think this is going to be a decline or a retest of 2,600, 26,500 would be an amazing place for Ethereum to go long. So yeah, as for the upside, I still believe it needs to surpass the 3,500 or the 200-day moving average level first. And I think after that, there's a good chance it could head for $4,000. Although I'm a little skeptical about it reaching 4,800, which is the previous all-time high. So for now, I think from a conservative standpoint, this is something that I'm looking at. This is how I would play. Right, this is my current outlook on Ethereum. If not this, we could probably see it coming up to 3,500, which is the 200-day moving average. But it's still a good 1.51 hour trade is what I'm looking at. So yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. If you enjoyed the session, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.